Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to verify your age on Roblox. All right, let's begin. To verify your age on Roblox and unlock chat features, start with using a device with a camera, such as a mobile phone or tablet. Open the Roblox app, then tap More and go to Settings. Next, select Account Info and find the section labeled Check Your Age to get more features. Click the Continue with Selfie button. You may be prompted to verify with your phone number, email, or authenticator. Enter the code and select Verify. Then choose Continue in Browser and click Continue. Make sure you're ready, then select Take a Selfie. If your browser asks for camera access, select Allow. Position your face in the frame and follow the on-screen directions, moving your head as instructed. Once the verification is complete, Roblox will estimate your age and unlock features such as voice chat, experience chat, and party chat. So that's basically how you can verify your age on Roblox. That's it for this video. Thanks.